This is the Ring Alarm window and door contact sensor. It's used indoors to monitor doors and windows as a key part of a Ring home security setup. I've been using them for a while now, and I've also used other sensors and systems from other brands in the past. So how does the Ring contact sensor compare? There are some interesting things that may make it perfect for some people. Inside the box, there is the contact sensor itself, which has two parts, the sensor part and the magnet part, along with a quick setup guide. The setup is pretty simple. First, make sure your Ring alarm is disabled, and then in the app, choose Set up a device and find Contact Sensor in the Security Devices menu. Just follow the in-app instructions from there, including naming the location of the sensor. Make sure the surface where you are going to place the sensor is clean. Then install the two parts using the adhesive tape. Make sure they are no more than ½ an inch apart and the lines on each part line up so it is level. The contact sensor works with the Ring alarm base station, and it's designed to let you know if a certain window or door is open. Ring uses a Z-Wave network to send real-time notifications, so the minute the door or window is opened, a notification is sent to the connected smartphone. It's a great added security if you have a room or area that you want to monitor. Whether it's the main doors to your home or windows and doors of your kids' rooms, the sensor really gives peace of mind when you're away from home or even when you're at home. The Ring contact sensor is sensitive and reliable, and it's not all that noticeable, which is a plus. The battery is designed to last up to 3 years, so no need to think about that for a long time. Ring includes a 30-day free trial of the Ring Protect subscription with the sensor. It includes handy things like arming and disarming the system from the app or by voice through an Alexa-enabled device, or integrating with other Ring products. For example, when the contact sensor detects that a door is opened, a Ring camera can be set to automatically start recording. The Ring Alarm Connect sensor is a fantastic little device for home security. It's super easy to install, very reliable, and has a low-key design that integrates well. It produces real-time notifications when a door or window is open, and it can provide lots of added options like remote arming and integrating with other devices with the Ring Protect subscription. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.